What's up, homies? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making veggie chow mein. It's one of my favorites. I love chow mein, and I usually cook chow mein on Fridays or Saturdays. It's like a weekend thing. It's never early in the week. So I have like peppers and I have baby arugula and spinach. I wish I had bok choy or cabbage, but I don't, so I'll use whatever's in my house and we'll make it beautiful. Let's start by boiling some water with a tablespoon of salt. We're gonna add our pasta to that water. Once it's boiled, we're gonna let our pasta cook, or chow mein, for 10 minutes. Drain it and set it aside. Now we're gonna work on our veggies. I used 3 sweet bell peppers, half of each color, and I also used 1 carrot, 2 celery stalks, and half of a red onion. You cut your carrots into strips like your pepper. I used 2 cups of spinach and 1 hot pepper. Now I'm gonna make a sauce kind of like I did for my fried rice. A 1/4 cup of oil to a bowl, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, low sodium, 2 tablespoons of cashew, yes, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, and give it a whisk. One tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, with some more, and yes, I did use cashew in here. To a frying pan, you're gonna put 1 tablespoon of oil, half of the red onion, add your bell peppers and carrots, and fry it up. Use a pan or a wok. Add your celery stalks. Add your hot pepper. Fry very well. Make a little well. Add 1 cup of sweet corn. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to your veggies and a little tiny bit of salt. About a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now you're gonna add your greens, whether you're using spinach, cabbage, whatever, you add it here. Let that fry up and then add the sauce. The sauce is gonna add all this delicious flavor to your veggies. You see right there, I needed more greens. It wasn't enough, so I added more. You can do that when you're cooking. Fix it to your liking. Now it's looking nice and juicy. I put, as you can see right there, a little bit of a cube, like about a half of a bouillon cube, and then I added my pasta, my chow mein, and I'm gonna work it in, and basically, you know the deal. Your chow mein is done. It is just that simple, and it's not at all salted. It's flavorful, but here you could add whatever other salt you may need. I'm finishing off with parsley and green onions, scallions, because I love green bits in my food. And that's it. And listen, I couldn't wait to try this. I always eat chow mein straight out of the pot, so I had to go dig in. And let me tell you, nice and yummy, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. Give me a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And go make this chow mein right now. And share it with your friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!